Drink this every morning to naturally cleanse and strengthen your kidneys. It is a powerful herbal remedy for kidney health. Your kidneys work silently every single day. They filter waste, flush toxins, balance fluids, and even regulate your blood pressure. Without healthy kidneys, your body cannot remove waste properly. Toxins build up, swelling appears, and your energy drops. But nature has provided gentle ingredients that can help support your kidneys, without chemicals, without expensive drugs. In this video, I'll show you how to make a simple but powerful natural kidney-supporting drink using ingredients you already have at home. Stay till the end, because I'll also share 3 bonus tips to keep your kidneys healthy for life. If you're new here, welcome to Streams of Health, where we teach natural ways to heal and protect your body using herbs, fruits, and ancient wisdom. Before we begin, please remember, I am not a medical doctor or a medical professional. I am a herbalist just giving out my knowledge to help someone out there heal naturally, because I am very knowledgeable about herbs and how they work in the body. All information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace advice from your healthcare provider. Always consult your doctor before making any major changes to your diet, lifestyle, or supplement routine. Now, let's begin. Before we prepare the drink, let's understand what your kidneys really do. You have 2 kidneys, each one about the size of your fist, located just below your ribs. They work day and night, filtering around 200 liters of blood every single day. They remove waste, balance minerals, control blood pressure, and even help make red blood cells. But unhealthy habits like eating too much salt, sugar, and processed foods slowly damage them. Over time, this can lead to fatigue, water retention, high blood pressure, and even kidney failure. That's why detoxifying and supporting your kidneys naturally isn't just a trend, it's self-care that could save your life. The ingredients needed for this. Now, let's prepare your natural kidney support drink step by step. These are the ingredients. Ingredient 1, fresh orange. Take 1 fresh orange and cut it into thin slices. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, which acts as a natural detoxifier. It helps the kidneys flush out harmful substances, supports your immune system, and may reduce the formation of kidney stones. The citric acid found in oranges helps dissolve small crystals in the kidneys before they turn into painful stones. Tip: always use fresh oranges instead of packaged juice. The natural enzymes and fiber in the fruit are what make it powerful. Ingredient 2, garlic. Next, take 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. Peel and crush them to release allicin, a powerful compound that helps reduce inflammation, lowers blood pressure, and improves circulation. Better blood flow means your kidneys receive more oxygen and nutrients to work efficiently. Garlic also helps reduce harmful cholesterol levels and acts as a mild antibiotic to fight infections that can affect the urinary tract. If you've ever struggled with frequent urination, puffiness under the eyes, or high blood pressure, garlic is your natural helper. Ingredient 3, fresh ginger. Now, take a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger. Peel and chop it into small pieces. Ginger contains gingerol, an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that supports digestion, metabolism, and kidney function. When your digestive system runs smoothly, there's less toxic buildup for your kidneys to handle. Ginger also helps reduce nausea, improves circulation, and keeps your body's internal temperature balanced. Ancient healers often use ginger to support the liver and kidneys, the body's 2 main detox organs. Ingredient 4, pure honey. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of pure natural honey. Honey is full of antioxidants that protect your cells from oxidative stress. It also soothes internal inflammation and adds gentle sweetness without processed sugar. When you combine honey with ginger and garlic, it becomes a powerful immune-boosting and cleansing mixture that supports your kidneys and your whole body. Steps for preparation. Now let's prepare the drink. 1. Add your orange slices, crushed garlic, and chopped ginger into a clean glass jar or jug. 2. Pour in about 2 cups of warm water, not boiling, just warm enough to help release the nutrients. 3. Stir well and add your tablespoon of honey. 4. Cover the jar and let it sit for about 2 hours. This infusion period allows the vitamins, enzymes, and natural oils to mix into the water, creating a gentle, nourishing detox drink. After 2 hours, strain it into a clean cup. You can store the remaining drink in the fridge for up to 24 hours. Let's talk about how to use it. Drink 1 cup every morning on an empty stomach for 7 days straight. This allows your body to absorb the nutrients deeply before food interferes. As you take it daily, you may notice these changes. 1. Lighter urine color, a sign of better filtration. 2. Reduced bloating and water retention. 3. More energy and clarity. 4. Fresher skin and reduced dark circles. Remember, consistency is key. Your kidneys didn't become overloaded overnight, and they won't recover overnight either. Think of this as a gentle daily reset for your internal filters. Now, let's talk about 3 simple habits that help protect your kidneys naturally. 1. Stay hydrated the right way. Drink clean water throughout the day, not all at once. Sipping small amounts keeps your kidneys active and prevents stones from forming. 2. Eat potassium-rich fruits and vegetables. Bananas, avocados, papayas, and leafy greens help balance electrolytes and support kidney function. 3. Avoid excess salt and processed foods. These are silent enemies of your kidneys. Too much sodium makes your kidneys work harder, leading to long-term damage. Also, avoid smoking and reduce alcohol. Both weaken circulation and strain your kidneys unnecessarily. Your kidneys have been serving you faithfully since the day you were born. They deserve care, they deserve attention, and they deserve protection. When you support them with natural foods, water, and herbal ingredients, your whole body benefits. Remember, good health doesn't come from expensive pills. It comes from daily choices. Because when you take care of your body takes care of you. This is where we bring this episode to an end. Thank you for listening. If you found this helpful, please like this video, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments, and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe to Streams of Health for more powerful, natural ways to heal yourself naturally. Bye for now and stay healthy.